Are you looking for the best smartphones from Aliexpress under $200? In this video we will look at some of the best smartphones from Aliexpress under $200 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Poco M5. The Poco M5 is an updated version of a smartphone that has become one of the most popular on Aliexpress. It can safely be considered the best in the price category up to $200 at least because of the quality of the screen. It pleasantly surprised with a refresh rate of 90 Hz, automatic selection of the optimum value with dynamic switch technology, and peak brightness up to 500 nits. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. There is a separate micro SD slot, a standard headphone jack, an IR port and an NFC module. Of the biometric technology, there is only a fingerprint sensor. As for the camera, it is not the best. Macro is inaudible, in low light the clarity is lost and colors are blurred. Number 2. Realm 10. CPU Helio G99 octa-core processor RAM and ROM 4GB plus 128GB /8GB plus 128GB /8GB plus 256GB color Rush Black Clash White Screen 6.4 90 Hz Super AMOLED display 2400 x 1080 FHD plus resolution PPI 409 90.8% screen to body ratio 1000 nits peak brightness contrast 40000001 battery 5000 mAh mega battery 33W SuperView charge camera 50MP color AI camera 2MP B and amp W camera 16MP selfie camera OS Realm UI 3.0 based on Android 12 support multi-language and Google Play Other NFC Wi-Fi IEEE 802.11a/b/g/n/AC Bluetooth 5.3 GPS Face Unlock Fingerprint Unlock 200% Ultra Boom Speaker Network Dual SIM card 4G FDD-LTE Bands 1/4/2/3/4/5/4/7/4/8/4/24/26/26/28/66 4G TD-LTE Bands 38/4/4125352655 MHz 3G WCDMA Bands 1/4/4/5/8 2G GSM 850/900/1800/1900 MHz. Number 3. Blackvue Oscar C80. CPU T606 octa-core 2x-A75 1.6 GHz plus 6x-A55 1.6 GHz OS Android 12.0 screen 6.517 IPS and display 720*1600 RAM 8GB plus 6GB expansion ROM 128GB plus 1TB expansion rear camera 50MP plus 0.3MP front camera 8MP battery 5180 mAh with 18W fast charge SIM dual SIM card or 1* SIM and amp 1* TF card navigation support GPS GLONASS Beidou Galileo other features OTG FM Google Play Network FDD B1/B3/B7/B8/B20 TDD B40 WCDMA B1/B8 GSM 850/900/ 1800/1900 If you don't know whether our phone can be used in your country, please click here, about network bands. Number 4. Cubot 60p. The Cubot 60p is an inexpensive Android 12 based model with a powerful battery and biometric technology. The storage capacity is good, with provision for expansion up to 256 GB. Two cameras, front and rear, are responsible for taking photos and videos, no 2 to 4 lens modules. Of course, there is no point in expecting better quality, but for the price category under $200 it is quite decent. Brand lenses from Samsung give good clarity, except that the colors are not always transferred correctly. You can order a set with a smartwatch on Aliexpress. Reviews praise the full package, including headphones and charger. But the work of the seller and the postal services has disappointed customers. Parcels take a long time to arrive. Number 5. S22 Ultra 16G plus 1TB. S22 Ultra 5 provides the viewing experience you have always wanted, achieving a 93% screen-to-body ratio on a 7.3-inch screen. Qualcomm 888 Plus mobile platform and 10mm process technology allow young people who love young people to stick to other popular games. S22 Ultra 5G's world-leading 48MP front camera turns every selfie you take into a work of art. Experience higher brightness, color vividness, clarity and dynamic range. Even in the darkest light, as long as you need it. Your S22 Ultra 5G is right by your side, capturing every moment with crystal-clear precision, turning your selfie into a masterpiece, and making every photo shine. S22 Ultra 5 has a 100MP camera combination. The main camera has a large aperture of f2.0, 1.28 pixels, strong combination to improve the sensitivity of backlight or low light. Take it with you. S22 Ultra 5 makes your photos clear and bright. Dual cards and dual standby. The card slot is not divided into primary and secondary, supporting the world's 50 largest communications operator networks. S22 Ultra 5 also supports face recognition. After activation, S22 Ultra 5 will scan your facial features and unlock immediately. Accessing your phone has never been easier or fun.